Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs. Thompson here with your fluency lesson for today. We are learning to build fluency with multiplication and division so that we find products and quotients from memory. We will be successful when we can fluently find the product and quotient. Okay, so we are on fluency option 3, and you will need your personal whiteboard, a marker, and a marker. You can go ahead and press pause here if you need to get your supplies. Okay, take a look at the array. Go ahead and copy this array on your personal whiteboard. Okay, now show us in the camera your completed array. Good job. All right, now skip count by twos to find out how many you have. Once you have an answer, go ahead and type it in the chat and send it. Good job. There's a total of 8 here. So how many groups of 2s do we have? Go ahead and type that in the chat. And when I say waterfall, go ahead and send it. 1, 2, 3. Waterfall. Yes, there are 4 groups of 2s. Now, write the multiplication equation that matches this array. Right, the multiplication equation that matches this array is 4 times 2 equals 8. Now, I need for you to draw lines to separate the array into 4 equal groups. Right, you should have had a line here, and a line here. And that would have given you 4 equal groups. Now that you have basically separated this into 4 equal groups, can you write a division equation for this? When you have your division equation, go ahead and show your boards in the camera. Right. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Let's do another one. Now I need for you to draw this array. Now you probably could just add to the one that you have. So draw this array. All right, boys and girls, now that we have the array, go ahead and skip count by 3s to find the total. Once you have the answer, type it in the chat, but don't send it yet. Waterfall, send your answers. Right, you should have 18, boys and girls. Now, let's take a look at how many groups of 3s are here. All right. Yes. Write it on your board. Yes, you should have 6. Awesome work. Now, write the multiplication equation that matches this array. Show us in the screen, the camera. Right, you should have 6 times 3 equals 18. Now I need you to do the same thing. I need for you to draw lines to separate the array into 6 equal groups. Now that you have them separated, go ahead and show us your answers in the camera. Wonderful, boys and girls. Now write the division equation for your new array with the lines. Right, you should have 18 divided by 6 equals 3. And just to double check, your line should be here, 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 and here. Excellent work. Boys and girls, let's do one more. One more. So take a look at this array and go ahead and copy it. You're probably just going to need to erase a few of the circles from your previous arrays. Okay, now skip count by 4s. How many groups of 4s are there? Right, type it in the chat. Don't send it yet. 1, 2, 3, waterfall, send your answers. Yes, I am seeing 3 groups of 4. Now write the multiplication equation for that on your whiteboard. Don't show us the answer yet. 1, 2, 3, show us what you wrote. Wonderful. 3 times 4 equals 12. Now I need for you to draw lines to separate the array into 3 equal groups. Boys and girls, go ahead and show me what you have on your whiteboard. Wonderful. You have a line here and a line here. And you now have your three equal groups. Now write the division equation that matches what you just did. Wonderful. Your answer should be 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Good job, boys and girls. See you guys tomorrow.